Hello guys, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to create cartoon characters with your smartphone, and I'll be using ChatGPT app for this tutorial. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so that you will get a notification once I upload a new video like this very one. So without further ado, let's dive into the main purpose of creating this video. So go to Play Store, download ChatGPT app, then open it. So by the time you open it, click on that icon below, okay, for you to add a file or a picture. So by the time I click on it, then click on photos. You see there, that's a one. Click on photo icon, then import that your image, that your character image. So if you import the character, then enter this prompt there. Create a cartoon version of this picture. Okay, so enter the prompt, then send the message to ChatGPT. So I will send the message now. Okay, so click on that icon to send the message, then wait for ChatGPT to respond to you. So you can see they are getting started, they are processing the image. That means they are creating the image for us. You see what they said, that it will take few time for them to create the image. So just have to wait for them to create it. In less than 2 minutes or so, the image have been created. You see that they have already created the image. Wow. In less than 2 minutes, they created the image for us. Nice looking cartoon version of me. You can see it there. So if they give you the cartoon, you can just go ahead and save the image to your phone gallery. Okay, so you can save the image now. But I want this my character to show the full body. I want the full body to show. So what am I going to do? So just enter in the chat box, enter show his full body. Okay, and then send the message to ChatGPT. He will automatically create a new image for you, a new cartoon that will contain the character's full body. So just wait for like 2 minutes or so, and it will create the image for us. You can see they've already created the image. Wow, this one is looking amazing. Wow, is that me? Nice, it's looking so much nice. Wow. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video, please give this video a like, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon beside it so that you will get our notification whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So moving on. So guys, so let's continue. So the next thing I need to do now is I want to enter this prompt there. Create him in front view, side view, back view, and 3/4 view. Everything should be in white background. So enter this prompt there. So I will send this prompt in the description of this video, so you can copy this prompt from the description of this video. Just enter this prompt to ChatGPT, and now it will create this single character into 4 characters in different views. So this will help those that are into animation to be able to create their character in any view they want for the animation videos. Okay, so that is how you get images in side view, front view, 3/4 view, and everything. So by the time I finish now, you see the prompt I enter. So I'll just send this prompt to ChatGPT, and then it will create this image in all these views that I prompted it to do. So wait for like 2 minutes or so, and ChatGPT will create that images for us. Okay, so you see the way everything is going. So far you use this prompt, you can get your with just a single character image, you can create any view you want for your character. So I'll wait for it to load. Just few minutes now, the thing will load. Okay, so you just have to refresh the page. Now they have created the image for us. You can see, wow, this is amazing, this is fantastic. He created the image in front view and side view and back view. Wow. So you can save the image now. So I'll click on that save icon below, and the image will be saved to my phone gallery. Wow, you see the way we got these images successfully. So Now you can convert this image into a cartoon video. So if you want to learn how to convert this image into a cartoon video, it is possible. Yes, you can use this image now, animate this image, add bone so that this image can move anyhow you want to do it. So if you want to learn how to make animation move, I recommend you join my animation class where we will learn how to animate any cartoon characters and make it to walk, talk, express himself and do a lot of things. Okay, if you watch this video to this level, write my name in capital letters, Obyno Tutorials. So now we have animation class where we go into details and teach you step-by-step process on how to create cartoon videos either with your smartphone or your laptop. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, so join my WhatsApp channel. Yes, check the description of this video, you will find my WhatsApp channel link there. So click the link and join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me from there so that I will give you access to the animation class and then send you the animation apps for creating cartoon characters. Alright, so that's all about this video. Be sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Like this video and also share this video so that other people will also learn. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. And if you want to continue learning about ChatGPT, then check the pinned comment below. You will see my ChatGPT tutorial playlist there, so you can click the link to watch all my AI tutorials. I have over 3 videos on the playlist that will help you master how to use ChatGPT. So check the pinned comment now and continue watching.